Hello everyone! Today I want to share some differences and similarities between English and Spanish vowel sounds. First, I want to show you the English and Spanish vowel chart. The English vowel sounds are divided in 6 positions. The first 3 positions are front, central, and back. These places show the shift of the tongue from its neutral positions to forward, central, and backward positions. The other positions are high, mid, and low. These places show what so close, mid, or far is the tongue of the roof of the mouth. In English, the vowel sounds changes according to the position of the tongue inside the phonological system. Now, we are going to focus on a small group, the front vowels. E, cheap. E, chip. A, save. E, bat. A, cat. A, path. Now we are going to focus on the central vowels. Thirst. Mother. A, cup. A, alone. Now we are going to focus on the back vowels. U, lose. U, foot. O, go. O, hall. A, park. In the phonological system, there are also 2 semivowels. In English, the semivowels are ya, yellow, wa, window. In Spanish, the name of vowel positions are equal to English: front, central, back, high, mid, low, but most of the sounds are different. For example, I, iglesia. U, mudo. E, escuela. O, olla. A, casa. Spanish also has 2 semivowels. These are a, peine, au, aullido. Both languages also have diphthongs. In English, the diphthongs are I, exile. O, about. Hoy, boy. And in Spanish, the diphthongs are ya, media. Ye, hierro. Yo, alivio. You, diurno. Wa, cuatro. We, hueco. Wo, individuo. We, ruina. I, Uruguay. Ey, pleito. Hoy, androide. Au, auto. Eu, feudo. O, Lourdes. According to this short description about the English and Spanish vowel sounds, we can see some differences and similarities. Some similarities are: both languages have diphthongs. The positions named as much in English chart and in Spanish chart are equal. For example, front, central, back, high, mid, and low. Some English and Spanish vowels are pronounced in the same way. For example, A, casa. A, path. E, escuela. E, vet. I, iglesia. I, chip. U, mudo. U, luz. We can find some similarities between the diphthongs of both languages. For example, au, auto, au, about, hoy, androide, hoy, boy. And some differences are: in Spanish, there are 21 vowel sounds, 5 basic vowel sounds, 2 semi-vowel, and 14 diphthongs, in contrast to English that has 20 vowel sounds, 15 basic vowels, 2 semi-vowels, and 3 diphthongs. In English, the vowel sound tend to change the sound depend of the geographic place, while in Spanish, the vowel sounds not change in no place.